Om Amriteshwari Nama Om Namah Shivaya. My name is Amrapali Kumari Mahato of class 12 science student. I am here today to discuss on the topic moving coil galvanometer. Galvanometer is a sensitive instrument that is used to detect the current in the circuit, but it is not used for the measurement of current as it may damage the galvanometer. Working or principle of galvanometer. Galvanometer work on the principle of conversion of electrical energy into mechanical energy. When a current carrying coil is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a magnetic torque. It rotates through an angle that is perpendicular to the current carrying coil. Construction. Let us consider a rectangular coil having n number of turns wound on an aluminum strip and is suspended by a phosphor broom strip in between the cylindrical concave pieces of the bar magnet. A soft iron core is placed between them. This soft iron core makes the magnet field stronger and radial such that it remains parallel to the plane. As you can see on the screen, there is a rectangular coil PQRS named of having length L, breadth B and single turn. As you can see that there are two sides that experience no force as they are placed parallel to the magnetic field, but the other two sides are placed perpendicular to the magnetic field. So the perpendicular force is given as length into breadth into magnetic field. By applying Fleming's left-hand rule, we come across that these two forces are equal and opposite and forms a couple, that is torque. This torque tries to deflect the coil. Therefore, this torque is called as deflecting torque, and the equation we arrive as torque equals to magnetic field into current into area of cross-section. This deflecting torque magnitude remains same at any position in the coil. The deflection in the coil produces a restoring force. This restoring force and deflecting torque at equilibrium remain same, and we comes across the equation as current equals to torsional constant into angle of deflection divided by number of turns into magnetic field into area of cross section. As torsional constant, number of turns, magnetic field and area of constant remains constant, therefore we find that moving coil galvanometer is directly proportional to torsional constant or the angle of deflection. Advantage. Galvanometer is a linear scale deflection can use to measure the current because deflection is directly proportional to angle of deflection. Second, or it may be said that deflection of galvanometer can be increased or sensitiveness can be increased by increasing the number of turns, magnetic field, area of cross-section of the coil and decreasing the torsional constant. It has a disadvantage too because the sensitiveness of galvanometer cannot be increased at will. Or the second point is, it may lead to damage of galvanometer when a current is maximum than that of maximum intended to measure the current in the galvanometer. Therefore, galvanometer is an important practitioner tool for research lab. It can also be said that by means of galvanometer, we students come across learning of various flow of current, their properties, resistance and their effect on the electric circuit. Galvanometer helps to design a special safety effort in the lab at any sort of electrical work. Thank you.